Imagine you enter a restaurant and you find everyone speaking in sign language. Amazing, right? So today I'm going to take you to one such restaurant in Hyderabad which is run by Deaf and Mute.
Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Echoes. We have started this new cafe in Hyderabad. This is the newest place in town where you can just come have food like a continental, Chinese or anything you want. More than the food, the initiative that we took actually is that the staff, all of the service staff is deaf and mute. You'll have this unique experience to order the food and from starting from ordering the food and getting the food and getting the bill, everything that will be done by the deaf and mute people. You'll have that experience, you'll have that unique experience. Our main motive, it is like we wanted to show the society that disability is not inability. Even the disabled people, they can actually challenge them. It is like a challenge for them in the society. So that if we give them a chance, they are the most hardworking people and they show their true potential if we give them a chance. That is our main motive. I think you'll have good food here and overall experience, you'll have a lot of fun. It is a chill place to be. And if you want to come to Echoes, it is right here in Madhapur in the center of the city, nearby to the road number 36 of Hyderabad. It is very easy to reach here and you'll have a lot of good times here. First thing when you come to Echoes and you sit in this table, the first thing that you'll notice here is a switch here. It just says press the bell and we'll be right there to serve you. So since we have all the deaf and mute staff, so when you switch this on, there will be a light over there. When you switch this light on, there will be a light switched on over there and they will know that they have to serve your table. They will get you a menu and they will get you this cute little notepad. So when you receive the menu, there will be different dishes and it is tough to write all the whole dish name on this notepad. So we have made it in such a way that we have different codes beside the menu and we just have to write the dish code on this and the quantity of it, and you just give this paper to our waiter and he will get you the dish. And when you need something else other than this, since they are all deaf and mute and you might not be able to contact them as we normal people, there will be different cue cards actually. If you want the menu, this is one, and there are different things. If you want fork, spoon or knife, something like that. If you want water, or if you want to call the manager or the bill or anything like that, we have a different cue card. If you want to pack the leftovers, it's like that. And we have tried our best to streamline the whole procedure so that even the customer and our staff, both of them won't feel that challenge to order or take the orders. restaurant that we've started, actually, this is a franchisee in Hyderabad. We've brought the franchisee from a Delhi ownership. They started off this brand with the motivation that even we should give the chances to the disabled people, like the deaf and mute people, who don't have many chances in this society. Even if they do, there will be some chances in some office, inside some office or something like that. They are not directly in contact with the people, but we have made a system in such a way that starting from ordering the food until you get the bill, we have streamlined everything so that the deaf and mute people, they don't have challenge to take the orders or to give the bills, or even the customers don't have that much of a challenge to order. And our main motivation, like I said, like disability is not inability. Even with the disabilities, you can achieve a lot of things. We have started off in Delhi, and we have other branches in Kolkata, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad too. And this is the first branch in Hyderabad that we have opened.
So I have checked out the food and everything. I must tell you guys, it was awesome. It was awesome. The food and everything, the ambience created over here, the staff, everyone. Like, it is a special. Everyone should check out whenever you are
Please do
in Hyderabad.
visit.
Please visit this.
Yeah.
It is a wonderful place to be.